Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
One of the latest additions to the VEDAMO platform is the Transcripts feature. This is a paid add-on that can be included in your plan. If you would like to enable it, please contact us at support@vedamo.com. The Transcripts feature allows you to record all spoken words during online sessions with precise timestamps and the option to set keyword alerts. This enables you to monitor in-class activity and analyze the language used in your sessions. To activate transcription, go to the Accounts and Settings menu, select General Settings, and navigate to the LMS section. There you will find the Transcripts option, which you can enable. If you want to track specific words or phrases, enter them in the keyword field. You can add multiple keywords by separating them with commas or placing each one on a new line. If you would like to receive notifications when a keyword is mentioned, enter your email address and you will receive alerts whenever the system detects the specified words. You can also manage who has access to transcripts. Choose whether they should be available only to admins or to everyone in the session. The feature is also available for recurring events, ensuring continuous monitoring across multiple sessions. With the Transcripts feature enabled, you can search for specific words or phrases, apply filters, and export transcripts to a CSV file. If you choose to export, the system will send you an email with the transcript data. For more details about supported languages, check our article in the description of this video. Only languages that meet the required accuracy standards for speech-to-text conversion are included. By using the Transcripts feature, you gain valuable insights into your sessions, helping you monitor discussions and enhance learning outcomes.
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!